sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop. Welcome to part 9 of the Legends of Ferrari F1 diecast 1/24 scale model collection, folks, from our wonderful friends over at DeAgostini. Yes, now, before we start, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, head over to this link all the way along here. It's also in the description below. Head over to their website and take out a subscription for this wonderful collection, folks. So what have we got for you today? We have got Ferrari's SF21, driven by Charles Leclerc, folks. Yes, Charles Leclerc. And look, it's in a wonderful matte red colour, and it's almost like a transitional red to burgundy look about it there. So it really does look beautiful. So we'll have a look at the model in a minute. Pending the enactment of the revolutionary new regulations in 2022, Scuderia Ferrari entered the 21 F1 World Championship with a single-seater closely derived from the 2020's SF1000, which already featured a number of improvements, particularly to the aerodynamics. Yes. Massive rule change. That was in 22. Yeah, look at the size of that front wing on there, folks, as well. Absolutely stunning. It says it followed the regulations still in force and only had a few specific improvements compared to its predecessor. In fact, they were almost identical, especially seen from the front. It says much of the work was focused on the rear of the car. Ferrari engineers further streamlining its design. They really did pinch it right down and in. And like you say, you can just see how compact everything was. Massively different. Carlos Sainz there in the cockpit. The car featured the same carbon fibre and composite chassis as the SF1000. Pretty much everything else hanging off of it was changed. Massive development. It was quite strange when you look down on the car. They looked like a little flower vase, how they tightly curved in at the rear there. So yeah, it's very compact. Must have got red hot inside that cover. But yeah, beautiful. It says Leclerc makes a pit stop during the Emilia-Romagna GP. The Monegasque driver finished 4th. Yes. This at the Belgian Grand Prix Spa was cut short by heavy rain, which ended the race after 2 laps had been completed. Proper downpour there. Beautiful photograph there of the car. That's stunning, it is. But it's all the different bits around it as well. Really has massively changed F1. All these different little veins, they all got a little job that they do, folks. If you're not into your F1, just go and have a watch. Get to see some of the coverage on the telly box about it, and yeah, have a go. Go and have a watch, see what you think, folks, because it really is. I'm a bit of a nerd when it comes to the tech side. I love all of this gubbins and stuff around the car that makes it do its job. Bit of a profile there on Charles Leclerc, born in 1997. Damn, I've got a pair of boots in my cupboard as old as that. But yeah, absolutely stunning information in these magazines, folks, as well. Nice group photo there of the team. I always like to see that at the end of the races when they all get together and just have a nice big photo done, because it is a team sport at the end of the day. Profile there of Matteo Binotto, their former technical guru, team principal. And there's a little profile there on Matteo there. Very nice, gentle fella that he was, and very tall fella as well, if I remember rightly. But yeah, really just went about it in a quiet way. And he's been superseded by Fred Vasseur nowadays, who again is another real likeable fella in the F1 paddock. Give these a read, folks. You'll find out a wealth of information. So, shall we grab the model and see what we got? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? And it is very matte red. So let's get this out of the container and see what we can do for you, folks. Get this a good looky-loo, why not? So I'm just going to rest that way. I'm going to try and delicately get this out of here. Right, let's delicately put this on the mat so that you can see her in all her glory, folks. And look at that, absolute beautiful finish. And the image you want to see, just look at that from above. How tight everything is around this waist. Absolutely stunning. You often hear me say Hollywood hips on a car, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to use the ends there just to rotate it around. But look at all the different little details in here. All these little veins, all going up underneath here, all sending the air around in different ways and scooting it into the radiators. But the complexity of this alone is just phenomenal. And then you've got all these little veins that go around the side here, just moving air around, sucking it up underneath there, and then sending it right through to the back of the car there. Absolutely a thing of beauty. And all the details and the veins on the front wing there, right down to the ducts that feed all the brakes. But when you see it from that angle, folks, and look at all them complex weather veins, as I call them, especially if you spin her upside down like that, all that detail under there, the way the air's just moved around and out through the diffuser there. Stunning. Absolute stunning. The technical brains behind these cars. Hours and hours and hours of CAD design and development and wind tunnel testing to produce these. It's just phenomenal. And you just can't, no matter how often you look at the car, you'll see a different facets, all the different veins and fins and everything just coming out the rear of the brake ducts there. It's all designed to send air around this vehicle as efficiently as possible, whilst bringing that car as near as damn it to the ground as you can. Of course, nowadays we're on the ground effect era of cars. These, I do believe, still had a little bit of rear rake on the back, but absolute stunning, beautiful piece of engineering. I loved the matte look of it. I liked the transition from the red towards the burgundy at the back. Really made the car. And then you get to the steering wheel. Look, it's got its own little TV screen on there. All the different buttons. And obviously, Halo has saved a few lives now. And yeah, people complained about it when it first came out, that it kind of obscured the driver's head. But it saved lives, folks, and that's the important thing. Look at the thickness of the padding each side there, just to protect the driver. And then, of course, you've got your side impact cell and everything. So I think this is a beautiful, beautiful example of a Formula One car, and it's Ferrari, as you know. And yeah, just goes to show you, this is why there's such a huge passion for Formula One, because cars like this are just a thing of beauty, aren't they, folks? You can't say they're not. They really are stunning works of art. So that's this issue done. This is issue 9. This is Charles Leclerc's SF21 Ferrari. If you'd like to grab one of these yourself, head over to this link all the way along there. Link's also in the description below this video. That'll take you to the DeAgostini website, folks, where you too can take out a subscription for your very own Ferrari collection. Don't forget also, if you can just click that little festa in the corner, that'll help me out massively, folks. It really will. Helps me grow the channel, keep the content coming. And also ring the bell so that you're notified of when new videos go up, folks, because these are coming thick and fast now. So until the next time I see you, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.